Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for November 2nd, 2022. Bitcoin wants to sever its link to stock markets. After months of tears and tantrums, Bitcoin wants to separate itself from the stock markets. The cryptocurrency, which has been closely correlated with tech stocks for much of its rapid growth in 2022, is making one of its strongest attempts to separate. Last week, in 30-day correlation with the Nasdaq fell to 0.26, its lowest level since early January, when a score of 1 means the two assets are moving in step. The correlation has held above 0.75 for most of the year, and at times has approached the perfect unison of 0.96 and 0.93 in May and September. For some cryptocurrency advocates, any Bitcoin breakaway from big tech is a sign of strength. The latter's growth is somewhat depleted, and investors are looking for the next growth industry. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are one such next growth industry, said Santiago Portela, CEO of FitChin, the Web3 gaming ecosystem. Bitcoin is near monthly highs near $20,500 and rose more than 5% last week, outpacing the Nasdaq's 2% rise, as it was affected by poor quarterly results from Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, and Amazon. Sony's shares rose after profit forecast increase. Shares of Sony Group Corp jumped 9% Wednesday morning after the entertainment conglomerate raised its full-year profit forecast, in contrast to the disappointing outlooks of many other companies. Sony said it produced more than 6.5 million PlayStation 5 units in the second quarter, ahead of the year-end shopping season, signaling an easing of supply problems that have hampered its gaming business. The inventory value of Sony's gaming division rose to 412.5 billion yen, $2.79 billion in the second quarter, up from 146.2 billion yen 3 months earlier. Sony plans to sell more than 18 million PS5 units this year, Chief Financial Officer Hiroki Totoki said. Sony's revised earnings forecast was helped by currency appreciation in divisions including its music business, which recorded higher sales in streaming services backed by artists such as Beyoncé, whose new album was released in July. The Japanese conglomerate also raised forecasts for its film and image sensor businesses. UAE and US reach agreement on green energy. The United States and the United Arab Emirates have reached an agreement to provide $100 billion for clean energy projects to create 100 gigawatts worldwide by 2035, U.S. Secretary of State Anthony Blinken said Tuesday. Under the initiative, the UAE, an OPEC oil producer, and the U.S. will provide technical, managerial, and financial assistance for commercially and environmentally sustainable energy projects in other countries. The two governments signed a memorandum of understanding in Abu Dhabi outlining the scope of the deal, according to a statement from Blinken. It says the partnership will raise and catalyze private and public sector funding and support for clean energy innovation, carbon and methane management, advanced reactors, including small modular reactors, and industrial and transportation decarbonization. The initiative will also focus on investing in responsible and sustainable supply chains, encouraging investment in clean mining and the production of minerals and materials vital to the energy transition.